Hi, I'm Jason Thulkin, physicist, martial artist, and author of the upcoming book Fight Like a Physicist from YMAA. This is How to Stop Momentum, Part 2. You cheat. In the last video, we saw how it's impossible to stop momentum with a rigid material or a compressible material or any material at all. So does that mean we should just give up on safety gear altogether? Should we put up some disclaimer that says nobody can protect the brain from concussions or CTE and call it a day? Should we stop trying to block a high momentum strike when someone throws it at us in a fight? No, just because we can't violate the conservation of momentum doesn't mean we can't do something to reduce the effects it has on us. So here are 3 things that we can do to help reduce the effects of the transfer of momentum on impact without technically breaking any conservation laws. If you can increase your mass, then it'll take more momentum to get you moving. This is one of the reasons why kick shields and tie pads are so heavy. If you can reduce the distance from the point of rotation, then you can reduce the leverage applied on impact. When it comes to protecting the head, this means avoiding those face cages you sometimes see on sparring gear. But in this example, what it means is I'll be taking a medicine ball in the gut instead of the chest, because that is closer to my point of rotation, my feet. So you can think of this one a few different ways, applying an outside force, changing the scope of the system at hand, or my personal favorite, borrowing mass. So in the case of head protection, what that would mean is a supportive connection between the head and torso. But in the case of the medicine ball, what that means is I'll be taking a step back and supporting myself with the back foot. You could say that that back foot is providing an outside force, but I like to think that the earth and I have now teamed up, and you're going to have to knock the both of us back with that medicine ball together. So there's 3 things that you can do to help manage the effects of the transfer of momentum without violating the conservation of momentum. So next time someone tells you that there's nothing that can be done to protect the brains of our fighters and our athletes, you can tell them that you know better.